Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
The best electric jigsaw reviews. This multi-function, cordless electric jigsaw is a portable woodworking power tool compatible with Makita 18 volts batteries, battery not included. Featuring adjustable cutting angles and speeds, it ensures precise performance on wood, plastic, and metal. Lightweight and durable, it's ideal for DIY projects and professional use.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.